Yes, for sure. Omicron is taking us to the endemic stage of a pandemic, because endemicity means that it will remain in our lives for a longer time now, right? So many of the people are getting immunity with Omicron now. So many of the people are immune to Omicron now in coming days, in coming months, and then it is like a common cold most of the time. It will give less severe infections in coming years, and I'm hoping that no major mutations will occur now. If new major mutations occur in this virus, then it can lead to another wave of uh, another surge in epidemic with new criticalities. But I am hoping that now it will remain stable and it will become less infectious, and it will become less basically it will become less critical for a patient, for a person. So I'm hoping that in 2000, at the end of 2022, it will become a endemic thing. You have to endemic means there are some cases in a community we have to do micro lockdowns, and then after some days everything is fine, and then again after 3-4 months some cases are there in some other particular locality, and accordingly the things will go in near future, most probably. Actually, the rate, if you see that Spanish flu and if you see the COVID infections, the rate of mutation is lesser in the COVID-19, in this virus, in this coronavirus. Basically, in Spanish flu, the rate of mutation is very high, very high. Every year you will get a new vaccine for that. But for coronavirus, I don't think that the rate of mutation is in such a high manner, right? So I think it will become more stable as compared to Spanish flu.
If you can share with us.
Actually, the data is not there. This is just the anticipation and hoping. We are hoping for a good right now. So if you see we don't have a data regarding another mutation. Some people are saying that they are in a developing world and developed world. Basically, they are saying that Delta and the Omicron both can lead to Del Micron type of variant in near future. So there are no as such authentic data regarding that also. So it is just a matter of anticipation and hoping for good right now. I can't share any data for that it will right now, and at the end of this year it will becoming an endemic type of thing. So I think we have to wait and see how the Omicron goes, and then we will assess the situation, and accordingly some new research will be there at the end of the year, and then we can say that how the next year will be. Actually, if you see in US, UK and other parts of Europe, right now the Delta surge is there. And above that, from November 24, the number of cases which we have seen in South Africa, and then the genotyping was done, it came out to be Omicron, and then it is rapidly spreading to the whole world. So the US and the European countries are dealing with the Delta surge, and then the Omicron came in their life. Right. So as I told you, Omicron has number of mutations on his receptor protein. So the person can be infected with both the Delta and the Omicron variant at one point of time. And when these two viruses are there simultaneously in your body, then they can also mutate among themselves, and they can become a hybrid type of virus, right? These are all hypotheses right now. There are no as such confirmed scenarios right now regarding this Delta Micron. So it can happen. maybe it is happening right now. So, and also it can happen that Omicron, when it goes into multiple bodies, it can cause it itself mutates and become a new virus, which we don't know how it behaves. So it's a natural process of evolving. It is same for the viruses, and it is same for the human beings also. So we have to wait for these things to happen. Actually, if you see, our vaccinations are very good very effective against Delta variant, and most of the population is now vaccinated. So immunity is there right now for a Delta variant in our bodies. And regarding that Omicron, the immunities are a little bit suffered a setback in view of the mutations we have on a Omicron virus. So if you get a Omicron viral infection, so I think there are some common antibodies and some common immunity for both of them. And yes, you can have immunity with Delta if you get a Omicron infection. Yes, the severity will be less for further infections. If you get, the need of hospitalization will be less if you get any of the COVID virus infection in past. Yeah, I just want to give one message to my audience. Actually, I just want to I think we all have to follow COVID protocols in a proper manner. Still, there are people who are not afraid of COVID infection. After getting a second surge, now that we are preparing for a third surge, still people are little bit careless regarding following that protocols. You can do all the things right now, but you have to do all the things with COVID appropriate behavior, like social distancing is a must, then hand hygiene is a must, and then the use of N95 or a surgical face mask, not the cloth mask. Right now the cloth mask is not appropriate in the current scenario. And avoid gathering at crowded places.